am Nisha Siripurapu, and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Most of us have this habit of waking up to tea and biscuits, and I've seen that among diabetics, Mari is extremely popular. Now, once in a while it's absolutely fine, but if you're having it every day, you also know that you are damaging your system. So how about finding a replacement of these packeted biscuits? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to bake cookies, and I have used oat flour and wheat flour, and it is very simple. And because I have used minimal oil in this recipe, the shelf life of these cookies is definitely going to be not too long. So try to make it in small portions. So let's go into the kitchen and check it out. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen, because I come every few days with one new interesting recipe, and of course with loads and loads of information on diabetes. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Thank you so very much.